Okay, welcome back. We've now created a car body drawing and a parts drawing, a wheel as a parts drawing. We've brought them together in an assembly drawing, and we've also rendered it. The next thing I'd like us to do, if we get this far, is to try and create our own engineering drawing. A drawing whereby we could imagine that we're going to provide this information to someone else that's never seen this before, and they could make it from that drawing. So we're going to click on the new insert new element, the little plus sign, and we're going to go create drawing. Might take a few moments to load this up in a minute. Just select the first one at the top, the ANSI underscore A underscore millimeters dot DWT, and click OK. Might take a few moments to create this, and it's just loading the drawing area now. This is a drawing that will look complicated. It's deliberately complicated. It's there to show all the information of the product that we're drawing. So I'm going to click into, we've got Part Studio. We could just create simple drawings of the car body and the wheel, but we're going to create a picture of our assembly drawing, and I'm going to add that into there, and it should want to place the front view of my car body there. And it's just loading up, and I'm going to right click. I don't want to get out of that and escape. So it's got that there. So there's a front view of the car. I then want to project some views from this. So that's my front view. I want to project a plan view at the top there and a side view on the right. So I'm going to go to the top and go to projected view. And if I click on that there and accurately go to there, it's going to create, if I left click again, it's putting in a picture of what the car looks like from directly above, a bird's eye view, or in D&T we know this as being a plan view. And if we draw from the side, we're going to draw a side view, and right click, and I should, or escape, and I've got that there. I'm then going to double click on these views here, and I don't know what's shaking, and I'm going to set this as, just change the scale to 1.2. Change the scale of these drawings to 1.2. It's changed those to a scale of 1 to 2. So it's half size. And I'm going to click the tick to say that's okay. The next thing we might want to do is to add another view in there. And I'm going to insert, and I want to, instead of having a front view, left view, I want to insert an isometric view in the top right hand corner. So if I just click about the top right hand corner there, and it will start to insert an isometric view, so we can also show what it looks like 3D. And we've got our views there. If you look on some of the information here, you don't have to fill this in if you want, but you can if you want. I can change the title to car drawing. Change some of this information in there. It's got my name in. These are sort of complicated things here. We've changed the scale, haven't we? So that means 1 to 2. And we want to put some sizes in here, which in D&T are known as dimensions. So go to this dimension tool here, and we want to show how big it is. So for example, I can show how long the car is. So I can just select that endpoint there to that endpoint there, and bring a dimension down, and it's showing that it's 250 millimeters long. We might want to show the height of the car, not the height of the car body, so I'm going to just select my dimension tool, select the endpoint at the top there to the endpoint there, and it's showing that it's at 90. We might want to show the dimension of the wheel, so I'm just going to click on the center of my wheel there, and it's shown that the dimension of the axle is 8 millimeters. I might want to show the diameter of the wheel. I just selected the outside face of the wheel, and it's shown a dimension of 80. So what I'd like you to do is continue to put in all the dimensions that you think would be necessary for someone to make the car. And I might just click on the ends there and there. That wants to be 60. when you're done, again, like we did before, is when you're happy, Control, Print Screen, go to PowerPoint, paste page in. I'm just going to use the crop tool just to crop that there. Put that onto a PowerPoint page. Move that to the center. And again, print that out to show your engineering drawing of the car. Well done.